Hello guys, welcome to Noble Forex Blueprint 1.0. In this video, I'll be showing you how to take an initial investment of $500 to $8,000 in 3 months. This is massive. Trust me, this is the only video you need to watch to be profitable in the forex market. And just to let you know, the strategy I'm about to show you, or the system I'm about to show you, is a low risk system. And no advanced trading experience is needed, which means that if you are new to forex, you can take part in this system. If you are a trader that is struggling to make profit, welcome on board. You can take part in this forex blueprint. If you're an expert trader that needs more capital or you want to make more profit, wow, this may just be the system for you. Trust me, nobody out there is going to show you their system on how they make money in forex. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube, a lot of people out there teaching you how to trade forex, but nobody is going to hand you out their blueprint on how they make money. That's what I've just done. That's what I'm about to do in this video. I'm just giving you out the secret on how I make money in the forex market. I encourage you to watch this video to the end and listen intently to everything I'm about to show you. My name is Mentor Sam. I have over 10 years experience teaching and training people, mentoring people in forex business. Okay, so I have a lot of videos out there. I've trained a lot of persons one-on-one. I work with a forex broker where I mentor a lot of people. Over 1,000 students I've mentored in the business of forex. So I know what it means to make profit and what it doesn't mean to make profit. I know what you need to succeed and what you don't need to succeed in the forex business. Now let's get started. So I'll start by showing you a live proof. Okay, I don't teach what I don't practice. It's something I've done before. I'm still doing it. Okay, so I'm going to show you, okay, the proof that I've been paid using the system I'm about to show you. Let's go to my live screen. Okay, let's go to my computer, my PC, so I can show you exactly what I'm saying. So this is my deal account where I receive most of my payment from. So I will refresh this so you know it's not a screenshot. All right, so let's just refresh this so you know that it's real time. All right, so if you can see here, I receive almost $4,000 here. Here I receive $160, here $160, here about $2,000, here about $320. So most of my payment now I receive via crypto, right? So I may not want to log into my crypto dashboard, but just to tell you that this is a system that I use and I have withdrawn from this. Currently I'm still withdrawing from this. Okay guys, haven't seen that this is working. So now let's get into the blueprint in details. Let's see how it works. So how can you achieve this? Step 1 says create and fund a forex account with a minimum of $300. The bigger the capital, the better. So you can start with $300, you can start with $500, you can start with $1,000. So that's the first step. You have to create and fund the forex account with a minimum of $300. Step 2 is this. You have to make at least 20% monthly using either a trading robot, which I recommend because I understand that not everybody are very good in trading. Okay, not everybody is very good in trading. But if you feel you are an expert, you are very good and you can make 20% a month or more, fine, you can go ahead and trade manually. But trust me, I've seen a lot of persons, not everybody have the discipline to make this kind of profit every month. Most people in under 2 weeks, they usually liquidate their forex account. Trust me, I've seen a lot of persons do this just because they don't apply good money management and they are not disciplined. And that's where the robot comes in. So if you're a new trader, you are still at the level where you're struggling, then I recommend the robot for you to trade. So now make 20% monthly with the robot. Now if you don't have a robot that can make 20% for you, all you simply need to do is, my number is somewhere on the screen, just chat me up. Okay, I'll send you my robot. I have a free package. All right, I'm going to give you for free. All right, so trust me, 100% free. I'll give you the robot. All right, so all you just need to do, my number should be somewhere on the screen. All you simply do, just chat me up, okay, on WhatsApp or give me a call. So I'll send you the robot and I'll help you set it up. And that's step 2. you should be able to make 20% of whatever you are investing, your initial investment. Now, if our initial investment is $500, so that simply means that in a month we should be able to make about $100, which is 20% of our initial investment. I hope the step 2 is clear. Let me recap. Step 1 says create and fund a forex account with a minimum of $300. Now, the bigger the capital, the better. Now, step 2 says make at least 20% of what you invested, okay, which is about if you're using a $1,000, that would be $200. Okay, if you're using $500, that'll be $100. All right. Now let's go to step 3. Now step 3 just simply means withdraw the profit you have made from your trading account and buy a prop firm account. Step 3, withdraw your profit from your trading account and buy a prop firm account. Now the big question is, what is a prop firm account? Now, prop firm are simply companies that give traders big capital to manage for them. At the end of the day, the trader, whatever profit he or she makes, is the profit is being shared with the prop firm and the trader. All right, so simply a prop firm is a company that gives you bigger capital to trade. Now I'm going to be showing you an example of what I mean by a prop firm. Now this is my forex funds. It's a prop firm, one of many prop firm out there I use. All right, so now this prop firm, what they do is that they fund traders with big capital. They fund them up to $200,000. So with this company, you can access up to 200,000 trading capital, and you can trade bigger money with them. And trust me, the sharing percentage will wow you. So now let's just look at this company. Like I said, there are many of them. I just want to use this as a case study. Okay, so you can see, you say earn as a professional trader. So what you simply need to do, you have to come here now with your profit. So let's just go through the evaluation, which is what I recommend. Now, what is the evaluation? Evaluation, let's just scroll down here. So now I'm not doing a detailed video on this. I'm just talking about the blueprint, but on a future video, I'm going to talk about prop firm in details, okay, about their rules and everything. Now, you can see that on this evaluation, they have different account sizes, starting from a minimum of $5,000 to $200,000. And you can see that here there is a fee, a refundable fee. Take note, a refundable fee for you to register. Now, for a $10,000 account, you need $84 to register. All right. For a $20,000 account, you need $139. Why for a $50,000 you need about $300? Why $100,000 you need about $500, and just like that. All right. So now take note, you have to come after making profit from your forex account. You have to take that profit, because now what we want to do, we want to scale up. All right. So you have to take your profit and come here and buy any of the account, depending on how much you're starting with. If you're starting with a bigger capital, like $1,000 or more, you should be able to purchase probably maybe a 50k. Okay, if you're trading maybe a 2,000 or 3,000, you should be able to purchase this from your profit in a month. All right, but there are ways you trade this. Now when you pay for this, now take note, what they're going to give you, they're going to give you an evaluation account. So they have their rules, so you can go on their site, my forex funds, that's their site. You can just go there and read it. So the rule is don't lose up to 5% in a day, and don't lose 12% total. Okay, so and they have a profit target. All right, so but if you're in my mentorship, okay, I'm going to be showing you some tips on how you can easily pass this. All right, so it's something that I do. I've passed. I have a lot of accounts with different prop firm. I also help people pass. Okay, so now you have to come here, which is the step 3. You have to buy this prop firm account. So this is where you get the bigger capital to trade. Now, where the risk free comes in the sense that you're not trading, you're not buying this account from off your pocket. Remember, you are buying this account from your profit that you made from your initial investment. So it's more like a risk-free, you understand? So if probably I'm just using an instance, you buy an account and it didn't work out, you fail or something like that. Now it's your profit, not your capital, right? So that's why we said it's low risk. So that's step 3. You have to come here and buy a prop firm account. So step 4 simply means trade a bigger account, make profit, and repeat the process. Now that's what I do. Now I have a forex account. I withdraw my profit and I buy prop account, and those withdrawals you saw, $3,000, $2,000, they were from me trading a 100k account. Now a 100k account, I only need to make just 3% or 4% to make $4,000 in a month. Do you understand that? So I trade 100,000. Now, in case you're asking, when you make profit, what is the share? The share is usually 80%, 20%, which means you take the trader takes 80%, the company takes 20%. Is that not awesome? So this is my forex blueprint. This is how a lot of persons are already making profit from the forex market risk-free. And in case you want to get more details on how you can do this, now please just simply contact me. My number is somewhere on the screen. Just chat me up, contact me, and we'll see how we can help you out. Alright, like I always tell my students, the difference between where you are now and your goals may just be a simple information. So trust me, this is something I have done. My students too, most of them have profited from this. If you're willing, if you're interested, what you just need to do is just to contact me via my WhatsApp. Then I'll just probably help you get started. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you success.